chisels everything down. It gives you shoulders, like our old shoulder pads used to. You probably don't even know.
I remember those.
Oh my gosh. And look at the brown. Okay, and then feel this one. Now feel the difference.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that amazing?
This one's a lot softer.
That's crazy.
But body to this one. I mean, this sucker will
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
keep you warm.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah. But it's just like our hair. Everybody's different.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yep, headbands, headbands, headbands. Look at this one. Look at that black. And more than likely, this is, I don't know, it doesn't feel like it. This is actually softer. Usually the darker is the around the neck. But this doesn't feel as soft. This feels tremendously soft. Huh. Who knows?
The gloves.
Huh?
I like the gloves.
Yeah, like I have. Yep. You're welcome to try on anything. Make your own. Oh. And I have a new friend who's an artist, and she did these are all watercolors that she did from the animals.